how to find best unlinked codes. Now in this video, this is going to be very quick. I'm going to provide you specific codes that you can use for you to be able to redeem it and watch free movies on Unlink. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is to use a web browser, and one of the leads where you can get codes for Unlink is actually from TroyPoint. So just simply go into troypoint.com's official site and have it on tag for best unlinked codes. And if you scroll down from here, they actually have this free codes that you can use. You can use either for Fire Stick, for Fire TV Guru, that certain code, and they also have a specific instruction in how you can redeem them. For Fire Stick, they have it on first spot, and for everything codes that you can use is on the second spot. And that's basically it. That's how you find best unlink codes.